never ever doubt yourself in next time in your life. The new generation which are coming in, they have this fear speaking spontaneously. Confidence एक बारी में नहीं आता है. Once you take an action, then you realize that this was my ability.
Do you have any idea why do this isolation is happening with us a lot?
You have to push yourself or somebody else will push you. We are too much dependent on our phones. तुम्हें कुछ भी प्रॉब्लम होती है ना, तुम सीधा फोन उठाते हो, एआई खोल के देखना शुरू कर देते हो. It means you have stopped trusting yourself. Personality is just a true image of yourself.
Why we people are failing in interviews?
जॉब पे रखना होगा तो रखेंगे, नहीं रखना होगा तो नहीं रखेंगे. जो हेल्प करेगा सिर्फ हमारे टेक्निकल स्किल्स करेंगे. Gen Zs don't want to take up the leadership roles. अब 9 घंटे ऑफिस में हो तो 9 घंटे आप उन्हीं के साथ रहो.
Do you recommend ChatGPT? All right, hi everyone. Welcome back to the Skills at School. As I always say, this is that one school you never knew you needed. Today the guest that I have is not going to actually tell you about the problems. She's the one who has been always saying about the solutions. She's going to tell you how, why this is happening, what is going wrong and all of those stuffs. And she's none other than Shivani Pandey. So first of all, I would like to welcome her. And secondly, if I talk about her experience, she has been in the industry of soft skills since last 5 years. But, she's just not about soft skills. She is all about communication. She's all about confidence. She's all about personality. From being a person who had social anxiety, who couldn't interact socially, to becoming a person who is so much confident when she talks to anybody. It's just amazing to see her journey. It's just amazing to talk to her. So I'll not talk much. I'll give her the mic and I'll ask her how is she feeling and how far she has come and how the journey has been.
Thank you, Charu, and it's so lovely to be here. Thank you for inviting me to this platform, and I think this is the best way to reach out to a large audience and talk about certain things which has helped out to me and what I have seen in these 5 years, what all has changed in my life. So yeah, I will be talking a lot of things, and yes, I'm excited.
Thank you so much. I can see that excitement also. And, I would like to start with just that one question. We have seen, other people also facing this judgmental issue, that they have, they're not confident enough to speak. They're not confident enough to go in the corporate and attend those meetings and everything. And, you have been a part of that social anxiety issue as well. And you talk about that a lot. So I would love to learn, from there to today, like what changes and how these changes have been happening, and how would you talk to anybody who is actually in their own nutshell right now and wants to open up?
Okay, so when I go back to my childhood time, I remember I was never into coming onto the stage and giving speeches या debates में part लेना है. मतलब मेरे plan में था ही नहीं ऐसा कुछ.
Okay.
So I was into discipline in charge kind of thing, prefect. I was captain and all, managing things. But if somebody asked me to go onto the stage and now you have to speak spontaneously, I was at the back end at that time. क्योंकि ये मत बोलो मुझे करने के लिए. So I was not in that kind of line. And school से भी यही था. I want to go into the science, start doing engineering. मतलब proper ये वाला plan set था. मुझे नहीं पता when did I something happened with me. Like there was my Nana ji. And I went to him and took advice कि नाना जी मुझे बताओ, मेरे से इंजीनियरिंग तो नहीं हो पाएगी. मुझे समझ आ गया है कि ये मेरे this is not my cup of tea. And now tell me what should I do. So he said कि अच्छा ठीक है, in which subject you got the highest marks. मैं बोला ठीक है, English. Okay, ठीक है. And he was also now he's retired, but he was also English professor.
Oh.
Yeah, and a English teacher in the government school and all. So I was like, ठीक है, आप क्या सोच रहे हो फिर? कहते हैं, यही कि गो फॉर द इंग्लिश ऑनर्स. ठीक है, लेट्स गो फॉर दैट. एंड सो आई स्टार्टेड माई जर्नी ओवर देयर. फिर कोविड केम. अब मैंने बोला यार अब मैं
फिर फंस गई.
मैं फिर फंस गया. अब मैं क्या करूं? मतलब स्कूल सारे ऑनलाइन चल रहे हैं. अब मैं कहाँ, मतलब क्या करूं? फिर देन आई गॉट टू नो कि ठीक है, I had this problem of social, anxiety. Not kind of social anxiety, but yeah, I had a fear of, if I'll start speaking, what if I make any mistake and people will start judging me?
Yeah.
Right? I do not want to be in that kind of a situation where people start making comments, people start laughing at my back. क्योंकि मुझे लगता था कि मेरी कैसी इमेज होनी चाहिए, चाहे वो बैक एंड पे हो. यस, आई वाज द कैप्टन ऑफ माय हाउस, बट वो एक इमेज होनी चाहिए कि हाँ ठीक है, नहीं बोल रही तो वो मेरी सच्चाई आनी भी नहीं चाहिए वो सामने वाला. तो सो आई started pursuing one course in soft skills and everything. Then I started enjoying. Then that was my first time I was presenting in that there was an event kind of thing, kind of an assessment which I was giving.
Okay.
And I had to speak on a topic on a very spontaneously that Shivani, you have to speak on this. And the ideas which were coming out from me, I was like, okay, ये था क्या मेरे अंदर? क्या ये भी मैं कर सकती हूँ? And then I sat with one of my mentor, and she was like, Shivani, please never ever doubt yourself in next time in your life. This is the biggest mistake any person can make. क्योंकि हर टाइम पे आपको ऐसा कोई इंसान नहीं मिलेगा लाइफ में कि दे विल कम इन फ्रंट ऑफ यू एंड टेल यू कि यार ये भी तुम कर सकते हो. यू हैव टू अनलीश इट ऑन योर ओन, राइट? So from there I got into the jobs. So from the past 5 years I have seen grown from here to here. Now you'll be like कि अब किसी के सामने भी मुझे खड़ा कर दो, I am not afraid to speak, right? So this has been my journey from from the childhood and right now sitting in front of you.
I mean, it doesn't feel like that, you have gone through that. Although I know it because I've read about that journey and everything. But I'll tell you, like, when I see you, it feels like you deserve, to be here. You speak in a way which we feel like it's so good. It's so good to see you talking. It's so good to see you speaking. So, I mean, congratulations. I was so proud, that we have somebody like that, because if you wouldn't have done it, you wouldn't be here guiding all of these people, right? So that's very important. Now, coming to the point where you felt like that, you don't want yourself to be judged. And there are a lot of people also who feel the same, that, they're scared of these judgments. They're scared, what if they do mistakes? What if, somebody laughs on them and all of that. So, you also might have some incidents, right? You also, I'm not sure if you would have gone through those incidents, but let's say anybody, who came to you is facing those things or is scared of facing those things. What is your piece of advice for them?
Okay, so when I was in my, like, the first job, I would say, there I used to train students who were passed out from 12th.
Okay.
And or they were like graduates, so they were preparing for the healthcare and services and all. Now when I used to sit with them, they had this one challenge कि शिवानी मैम, हमें टेक्निकल स्किल्स बहुत अच्छे से आते हैं ना, मुझसे आप कोई भी क्वेश्चन पूछ लो, आई विल नॉट बी अफ्रेड इन दैट. और सारी जगह ऑफिस में तो यही देखते होंगे ना, किसी पे भी मैं कहीं पे भी अगर CV मतलब जॉब के लिए अप्लाई कर रहा हूँ, सो दे विल बी जजिंग मी ऑन माई टेक्निकल स्किल्स. मैंने बोला ये सबसे बड़ी मिस्टेक मत करना, क्योंकि दिस कोर्स हैज़ बिन डन बाय अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इफ आई टॉक अबाउट वन पर्टिकुलर कोर्स, उसी कोर्स को कम से कम 10,000 लोगों ने किया होगा. ये भी मैं कम ही बोल रही हूँ अभी.
I agree.
But what makes you different from those 10,000 people? That is your personality and that is your communication style, right? How do you communicate with them? And it's not about the English language I'm talking about. how are you presenting yourself in front of them, right? आप कितने confidently उनके सामने बोल रहे हो, and if you're also doubtful about something, speak to them, ask questions. If you are not sure about something, ask them. Do not hold it within yourself, but yes, in a respectful manner. It should not be like this that I'm being egoistic कि मैं क्यों पूछूं, है ना? क्योंकि आज अगर if I talk about the current scenario which I am looking at my workplace, people have the new generation which are coming in, they have this fear of speaking spontaneously. Why? Because they have been stuck with their phones digital era में, and उनसे कितना भी email करवा लो, है ना, chat करवा लो, सब कुछ हो जाएगा बढ़िया. But the moment they are in a meeting room, now they have got a chance. Okay, तुम event host करो. Let's say I have been in this situation. अभी last month ही हुआ था कुछ. There was an event in my office, like, and I said कि okay, I am not feeling okay today. Why don't you host, है ना? यार वाई भी तो बनानी है ना एक इवेंट की, है ना? तो वो तो, और यू हैव बिन वॉचिंग मी कि कैसे करते हैं, तो दे वर लाइक ओके यार शिवानी ये मत बोलो बस करने के लिए मुझे. मैं बोला क्यों? I have seen you are an energetic person. You can do this, and कहीं पे भी कुछ करना होगा तो हेल्प करेंगे ना. क्या प्रॉब्लम क्या आ रही है? कहते नहीं, मुझे बहुत एंजाइटी होती है, मेरी आवाज़ से पता चल जाएगा कि मैं घबराती हूँ, मेरे पर्सनालिटी के बारे में पता चल जाएगा, फिर मुझे लोग जज करेंगे, हंसेंगे, और आपको पता है फिर बातें कैसे बनती है उड़ती. मतलब कौन करेगा? कर भी रहे हैं तो क्या हो गया, प्रॉब्लम क्या है? तुम्हें क्या लगता है कि आई वॉज लाइक दिस और लाइक ऑन द फर्स्ट डे? मैंने कितने कमेंट्स किए होंगे, मैंने कितनी चीज़ें बोली होंगी लोगों के सामने जिसके लिए लोगों ने दे मस्ट हैव बिन मेड अ कमेंट ऑन दैट, राइट? होता है ये चीज़ें, बट वी हैव टू बी सो मच स्ट्रॉन्गर फ्रॉम विद इन दैट ओके, I am at this age, I'm at this stage right now, and I have to be more and more, clear what I want in my, life, and what kind of personality I want to create in front of people. उसको छुपा के क्या मिलेगा? So that's the kind of advice I give to people कि confidence एक बारी में नहीं आता है. Once you take an action, then you realize that this was my ability and I can try. अभी ये मेरा है level. Now I know where can I work more, where can I have more clarity. So yeah.
Also, I would like to address a very common issue that we people are facing. आपने बहुत अच्छे से बोला कि हमें अगर spontaneously कुछ करने को बोला जाए ना, like we people, I'll tell you why this is happening with us, because after COVID all this has happened a lot, but I don't know, like जैसे आपके साथ था ना, you never knew कि अच्छा ये भी आपके अंदर है, पर आपने अपने आप को पुश कर लिया. हमारे साथ थोड़ा सा इशू ये रहता है, we're not able to push ourselves. पता नहीं, I don't know, like it's not about in the events or something. Sometimes it's like a very small thing. I'll tell you, we can chat over like our phones on with our friends also, but जैसे मुझे कोई बोलेगा ना कि कॉल पे बात करते हैं, तो मुझे कैसा होता है
ये मेरे साथ भी हुआ है.
मुझसे बात नहीं हो पाएगी कॉल पे. मतलब I don't know, there's something which is stopping us. Like, do you have any idea why do this isolation is happening with us a lot? क्योंकि I don't know, like I'm just not okay.
क्योंकि ये हमारी आदत रही है, राइट? दिस इज वेयर वी हैव स्ट्रक्चर्ड आवरसेल्फ, एंड इसको चेंज करने में बहुत टाइम लगेगा, बिकॉज यू हैव टू पुश योरसेल्फ और समबडी एल्स विल पुश यू, और ऐसा पुश करेगा कि फिर आप बिल्कुल ही साइड लाइन हो जाओगे, कोई और आ जाएगा सामने, राइट? यस, इट इज़ वेरी हार्श ट्रूथ, बट इन द कॉर्पोरेट्स के बारे में लोग इतना हवा बना दिया है दैट it's very toxic place. इतना politics है. People, if you are not gonna prove yourself, if you're not visible, and then somebody else will come and take your place, you are easily replaceable, right? So कहीं ना मुझे लगता है कि चीजें हैं ऐसी, है ना? And being from this generation, we are too much dependent on our phones. and it is also becoming more prevalent these days. Why? AI आ गया है. अब तुम्हें कुछ भी प्रॉब्लम होती है ना, तुम सीधा फोन उठाते हो, AI खोल के देखना शुरू कर देते हो. It means you have stopped trusting yourself.
Yeah.
राइट आपके दिमाग में कुछ आइडिया आएगा, यू विल स्टार्ट सर्चिंग ऑन AI. ओके, जो मैं सोच रहा हूँ वो ठीक है कि नहीं ठीक है, उसने बोला ठीक है तो हाँ ठीक है. बहुत कम ही लोग होंगे जो उसको चैलेंज करेंगे कि ओके टेल मी इफ एम आई राइट और रॉन्ग, राइट. एंड व्हेन इट कम्स टू face to face conflicts, they want to avoid it. कॉन्फ्लिक्ट हो जाएगा, चैट पे एकदम बढ़िया बढ़िया लंबे लंबे चैट मैसेजेस जाएंगे. आई हैव आल्सो डन दैट. मैसेजेस पे इतना बड़ा टेक्स्ट में जाएगा.
मैं
पूरा
कुछ भी बोल सकती हूँ, आपको पता है. लाइक आई कैन लाइक आई डोंट नो यू, ठीक है, आई एम लाइक आपने किया कैसे मेरे साथ.
अच्छा, पूरी उस पे इंग्लिश भी आएगी.
हाँ.
हिंदी साइडलाइन हो जाती, जैसे भी इंग्लिश होगी, बट उस पे अच्छी खासी आपकी इंग्लिश आएगी. Your emotions will reflect in that. You start using emoji. Everything will start coming, and that is your true personality, by the way. वो है. But how are you using that? You can say ability to reflect in your face-to-face thing. आपको वही तो same जो आप chats पे कर रहे हो, you have to reflect back in your personality when you're sitting in front of someone. So that is where people have to realize that this is the gap and this is where we have to bridge it. Otherwise एक टाइम आएगा, अभी कह रहे हैं ना कि 2020-30 तक there will be 1/3 of the whole workforce will be with Gen Zs. तो सब अपने ऐसे कोने पकड़ के बैठे होंगे, ईमेल से बात चल रही होगी चैट पे. अच्छा, तब कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं होगी फिर,
सामने
सारे ऐसे
हम इंटरैक्ट नहीं करना चाहते. मतलब ऐसा आई डोंट नो व्हाट इज रॉन्ग विद अस, बट सच्ची में आई टेल यू इट इज वे मोर इजियर. आई टेल यू, मेरे को ऐसा लगता है कि वो चैट पे लिखना ना वो आसान है ज़्यादा, मतलब ऐसे फेस टू फेस इंटरेक्शन करना. ऑल्सो देयर इज वन मोर थिंग, अभी पीपल आर लाइक कि अटैच नहीं होना, हर्ट नहीं होना, फ्रेंड्स नहीं बनाने, कॉर्पोरेट में फ्रेंड्स नहीं होते. तो although I'll tell you this is a myth. I mean, I've seen so much good friendships coming from corporate or places, but आप जाओगे ही नहीं, you're not going to meet up, you're not going to interact with people, you're not having face-to-face interactions, you'll never know the real face of that person, I feel like.
Exactly.
You'll never know what exactly that person is. क्योंकि phone पे तो you can also talk, I can also talk, है ना?
Yes.
वो phone कौन चला रहा है कैसे पता? You'll never know all of these
true
things.
True that.
So I think we should, but we just need that push. अब ये वो धक्का पता नहीं कैसे लगेगा, क्योंकि you are absolutely right in saying that कि कभी-कभी हम sideline हो जाएंगे और कभी वो धक्का इतनी जोर से भी होगा कि you'll just you'll fall down. That can also happen with you. और वहाँ पे संभलना is very important. But if you'll not have the understanding, तो वो नहीं होगा.
I always say that whether you have a mentor in your life, your parents, your friends, if they guide you, then it's good enough, right? At the right time, they are pushing you. Otherwise, in a life, you will have this kind of a scenario कि आप वहाँ पे खड़े हो गए और आप देखोगे यार काश मैंने वो कर लिया होता, काश मैंने उस दिन अपने आप को वो अपॉर्चुनिटी वो दे दी होती, right? Then the things would have been different, right? A lot of time we get this opportunity in our life, but we are so fearful that okay, I'll try next time, I'm not ready this time. Why you're not ready? I know, like this can be the case, but this happens with everyone. Nobody is ready for the first time.
True.
Right? Either you will mess up or you will do the best. But if you're in the middle of that, right, you have the opportunity to either step back completely कि ठीक है मुझे जाना ही नहीं है, or you have the opportunity to step up कि अब बॉटल उससे ऊपर चले जाएंगे तो देखते हैं ठीक है, now I have a clear picture where can I improve more. So क्यों ना उस first chance को लिया जाए, right? So if you have no one to push, so yeah, you have to push yourself.
नहीं, I feel like coaches are very important nowadays.
Yes.
क्योंकि वो खुद से push हो नहीं रहा, and sometimes we don't feel like that we're in the right direction. It is becoming a little easier because we've started talking about therapies and everything now. चलो, coming back to this, that you said कि confidence ना ऐसे नहीं आता. You have to do and then it happens. I've also seen one of your videos where you tell how to reboost your confidence because you talk about personality also, है ना?
Yes.
तो how do we relate this personality, confidence, communication, like what is the angle? How do we, क्योंकि मेरे को लगता है कि if you are communicating but you're not presentable enough,
Yes.
there's no point, no? फिर you also told me कि personality ही निकल के आती है आपकी at the end of the day बाहर, the way you're communicating on chats also. So how do we connect the dots?
Okay, so when I say personality, so personality is just a true image of yourself, right? True image. अब ये भी नहीं है कि मैं घर पे एकदम फ्रीली रहता हूँ, फ्रीली रहती हूँ, मस्त एकदम पजामे में सोफे पे पैर फैला के. I'm not talking about that true image, but true image in the sense of how you communicate with your people. Right, people who are around with you, not having a mask on that. It doesn't. I'm truly can say not talking about the English language here. कि English होना ज़रूरी है, but yes, the way you talk to them when they are in a problem. Right now, when they are in a problem, your friends, your parents, your close ones, right? How are you gonna console them?
Yeah.
How are you gonna reach out to them? क्या चीज़ उन्हें अच्छी लगेगी? क्या चीज़ मेरा बोलना अभी गलत है? You know it, right? So why don't you replicate that same in the workplace?
Okay.
Right? But having a sense of boundary, right? A clear boundary, right? So knowing what to say, when to say, what not to say also. This is a when you understand this perfectly, that is a part of communication. Automatically your personality will start leveling up. People will start seeing you as a person that okay, this is Shivani, this is Charu. उसका ये तरीका है बात करने का, right? So when I sit with that person, I feel comfortable. और if I sit with that person, क्या उसकी तरफ से सिर्फ negativity आ रही है? So people create that identity, and that is the true essence of the personality of that person, right? Along with this, the way you dress, फिर वो अलग segment में आ जाता है, right? The way you dress, how people perceive you through your overall, the dress, appearance,
persona, कुछ भी
everything.
posture and
But that is another segment. But when I talk about personality, that is how people perceive you as a person. When they sit next to you, तो वो आपके बारे में क्या सोच रहे हैं? Are you a positive person? Are you negative? Do they feel comfortable? Do they see you as a friend?
Yeah.
or an enemy? राइट लोग क्यों बोलते हैं कॉर्पोरेट में पॉलिटिक्स होती है? क्योंकि उनको पता चल गया आपकी आइडेंटिटी क्या है. आप एक दो चीजें करोगे, दे विल बी लाइक ओके, दे विल mark you as this kind of a personality. And it will take a lot of efforts to erase that identity. कहीं ना कहीं वो तब भी वो it will leave a mark, okay, that this person has done
this
with us. And that's how I connect these two things.
But you just said one very important point over here, that it's very important to have boundaries.
Yes.
And with boundaries, I feel like it is very important to have the clarity also,
Absolutely.
that what exactly, where the boundary, because at times हमें नहीं पता होता कि हमें अपना शील्ड कब डाउन करना है और कब we have to protect ourselves with those shield. तो वो boundary is also very important point. Now that I've talked about how part, कि अच्छा ये कैसे I really want to understand, Shivani, why is all of this happening? The why segment of it. Let's say why we people are failing in interviews, why we people are not able to interact, or why we feel like that there is office politics, and like why this person is behaving this way. All of these things that compile up. The first question when it comes to those why is that why we people are not able to cross that line. Like the way you said, either there are two options, right? Either you're below the line or you're above the line. you miss out the opportunity, but then it doesn't hit you in the right spot that you're missing out on something which will create a very big impact. और शायद वो हमें बहुत बाद में जाके पता चलता है. And I don't know, some people don't even realize that, you know.
Yes.
Some people get it, या some people have people, good people around them and they tell them. But अगर खुद से करना है या नहीं समझ आ रहा कि सही है मेरे लिए या नहीं है, तो how do we understand that? Or why this? Why not this? Like, there are so many questions in our heads how to solve that.
So yes, it is very complex, kind of thing where it becomes difficult for us to understand why is it happening with me, why me?
Yeah.
Because we have seen a lot of people who are doing very well. They are not afraid to take any step. They are good in taking risk, also doing well at very good age, है ना. तो एक तरीके से एक सेल्फ डाउट भी आना शुरू हो जाता है. नाउ आई जस्ट गिव यू वन एग्जांपल. यहाँ पे in this organization, I'm also handling the campus hirings also along with the
Okay.
training. So we have started this initiative to recruit fresh graduates from
Okay.
the engineering line
Uh-huh.
directly to the corporates, right?
Okay.
Now, one thing I have noticed in this, and I was like, okay, it's been a long time. I am meeting fresh graduates, and मुझे अपने college की याद आ गई. So one thing I have noticed, some students were very raw.
Okay.
Raw means that they don't know what am I doing with my life.
Yeah.
कि मुझे ये job चाहिए भी क्यों?
Hmm.
Right? And it was truly reflecting, it was easily reflecting in their answers.
Okay.
Huh. Now, when I say in their answers, okay, they were not aware about in which direction they do wanna go in their future. Although वो engineering कर रहे हैं, so एक path decided होता है कि right in which line I'll be going, in which career organizations I'll be opting for the jobs. But still जो उनके answers थे, they were like, okay, what should I do in my life? मतलब बिल्कुल ही क्लैरिटी नहीं थी. क्वेश्चंस हम कुछ पूछ रहे हैं, आंसर्स कुछ और आ रहे हैं. टॉकिंग अबाउट द पर्सनैलिटी, जस्ट नाउ आई सेड दैट एक आइडेंटिटी क्रिएट हो जाती है. दे वर कैजुअल इन द सेंस कि ठीक है, जॉब पे रखना होगा तो रखेंगे, नहीं रखना होगा तो नहीं रखेंगे. अब मैं इसको जेनजी वाले उससे मैं करूँ कनेक्ट, या फिर कुछ और प्रॉब्लम थी, है ना. सो क्योंकि जेनजी वाला भी एक काफी एंगल आजकल देखने को मिल रहा है, दैट पीपल आर बीइंग मोर अफ्रेड टू हायर जेनजीज बिकॉज they do not want to mess up with their culture. So I was truly amazed to see that how unprepared they were. And like it can be that they were unprepared intentionally, or they were clueless कि मुझे क्या करना चाहिए, या फिर उनकी guidance की कमी थी. Right? So I think people have started taking little bit leniently that this is not gonna help us in truly in our careers. जो help करेगा सिर्फ हमारे technical skills करेंगे, हमारे जो skills हैं, AI related things, my education, this is only gonna help me to excel in my career. And people have started neglecting, और काफी मैं कहूँगी तो स्टार्टिंग से ही लोगों ने काफी निगलेक्ट किया these soft skills, how to present yourself, communication. People have been neglecting these things. और अब तो ये ऐसा हो गया ना सिचुएशन कि यार ठीक है, AI में परफेक्ट हो तो ठीक है, मेरे टेक्निकल स्किल्स परफेक्ट है यार ठीक है, I'll be easily getting jobs. और उसी निगलेक्शन की वजह से people have been seeing consequences. Yeah.
बहुत lenient हो गया ना.
बहुत lenient है. मतलब I was like मुझे लगता था यार कि मैंने कौन से दुनिया में आ गई. मतलब I'll not name that institute, I'll not name that college maybe, and it was famous college. We interviewed 40 students, and this number will shock you. We only had one student from there.
I don't know, like I feel like we Gen Zs are like either we don't care because we feel like the options are way more broader, or I feel like we're not just meant for corporate. Maybe we feel like, I'll tell you this. I recently saw this crazy reel where a child, like he's like, I don't know, he's like 7, 8, or I don't know, he's 10, around that, and he's like, you take my attendance, you give me attendance, and then you create attendance an issue when I sit in my exams for something that I am paying you for. And I'm like, you are paying for, like, you know what I mean, right? We are paying you, and then you make a scene out of my attendance. And then I'm like, okay, bro, listen. There are thousands of people who are doing, studying in the same
Exactly.
school, going to the same college, doing the same degree. Why will anybody hire you? You should have something of your own. And if you'll start questioning everything, I don't know, like, why will you not question yourself? How will you not have that
I don't know,
self-doubt?
people take this very leniently. They think that I have bagged good position in my class, I have good rank in my college, good grades, scores, everything makes sense.
हाँ.
है ना? But at the end of the day, when you will be going for the jobs, even if you are starting your business, let's say ठीक है हम लोग corporates के लिए नहीं बने हैं,
ठीक है.
ठीक है ना, मान लिया मैंने corporates के लिए नहीं बने, but even if you are starting something your individual thing, don't you think so even there also you would require the communication skills and personality? It will. Maybe you have not seen that happening right now in your early ages, but someday when you will be thrown under the bus, then you will see that okay, what I was really missing. यही प्रॉब्लम है, उसको ऐसे यहाँ देखते हैं कि यार ठीक है ना, ग्रेड्स देखो, मेरे मार्क्स देखो. मुझे लगता है मेरे मार्कशीट्स किसी ने देखी नहीं आज तक.
आप मुझे सिर्फ इस बात का जवाब दो कि यार मतलब मुझे ये नहीं समझ आता, आप इतने लीनियंट हो हर चीज को लेके, आप बोल रहे हो कि दिस इज माई स्कोर एंड एवरीथिंग. आपको नहीं करना, चलो कॉर्पोरेट, मैं तो बोलती हूँ आपको बिजनेस भी नहीं करना, ठीक है? आपको किसी से बात नहीं करनी पड़ेगी क्या कभी?
बात नहीं कर रहे हैं तभी तो नहीं. लाइक इन द रीसेंट न्यूज व्हाट यू हैव बीन सीइंग,
हाँ,
उसका डिवोर्स हो गया, ब्रेकअप हो गया, 10 दिन रिलेशनशिप में आए, चले गए छोड़ के. People do not want to value that relationship also, that okay, what this person truly means to me.
आई तो फील है कि डम कर लिया हमने अपने आप को, just talking to ChatGPT all the time and listening to those emotions of somebody's that are not even ours. जबकि मुझे लगता है कि we have this miracle सी power in us कि हम अपनी चीज़ें ना create कर सकते हैं, अपने thoughts, अपने beliefs, like खुद के, if we have evidences around. And because we have started doing that, or we have started using ChatGPT so efficiently, do you recommend ChatGPT?
Yes, I recommend. Obviously, I recommend, but there should be a boundary. Like in which cases or in which situations am I using it? Let's say I have seen people, treating it as a psychologist, students specifically. अभी तक लोग के कहते थे कि like students are not emotionally aware, but they are now इतना ज़्यादा aware that they have a specific terms for each and everything, and ChatGPT is letting them know. इतनी बड़ी कोई प्रॉब्लम होगी भी नहीं, इतना बड़ा कुछ डर है भी नहीं, but that ChatGPT has given them this term and they'll feel like okay, please leave me alone, I don't want to talk to anybody right now, I'm in this depression, I'm facing social anxiety. अरे, because ChatGPT has used fancy words, they have explained in such a way that now you have started trusting it. और वो ऐसा कुछ केस था भी नहीं. So people have started using it in such situations in which it was irrelevant. जहाँ पर हमारे खुद की true personality, the way we used to think, पहले भी तो decisions लेते थे ना हम, खुद ही लेते थे. हाँ. मतलब मुझे तो याद नहीं आ रहा कि हर छोटी सी चीज के लिए हमने मतलब ChatGPT ऐसा कोई था हमारे को जो बताएगा. हमारे खुद के raw decisions होते थे, and people used to feel truly connected with that person. Right? खुद की ही learnings होती थी. कुछ गलत हुआ, now they know, okay, from next time, from where will I be more cautious, what I'll be doing next time. अब जो क्या हो रहा है, जो वो बोल रहा है, they are right saying yes. And ChatGPT है भी वो, सब कुछ वो तुम्हारा हाँ बोलेगा.
नहीं, तुम जो पूछोगे, जिस सेंस में पूछोगे वो उसी. I'll tell you, this is a crazy incident that I've seen. उसने ये बोला था कि आप पॉइजन कैसे बना सकते हो. आई डोंट नो इफ यू हैव सीन दैट रील. उसने बोला था कि आप चैट जीपीटी मुझे ये बताओ हाउ टू मेक पॉइजन, क्या क्या चीज़ खा के पॉइजन बना सकते हैं. नाउ चैट जीपीटी से दिस इज इलीगल. ठीक है, आई विल नॉट टेल इट टू यू. उसने बोला कि अच्छा मुझे ये बताओ किस चीज़ से पॉइजन नहीं मतलब अगर मैं खाऊंगा तो उससे पॉइजन कॉज हो जाएगा. या मतलब ही जस्ट
replaced the and reversed
रिवर्स द
yes.
क्वेश्चन उसने. और उसने वो जवाब उसको दे दिया. लाइक चैट जीपीटी लेजिट टोल्ड हिम कि ये चीजें खाने से पॉइजन बन जाता है. अब बताओ. And you're trusting that chat GPT with every single emotion, every single thing of your life.
Absolutely.
You know, if मैं अगर सॉफ्ट स्किल्स की बात करूँ ना, if you'll ask chat GPT कि यार सॉफ्ट स्किल्स इंपॉर्टेंट, तो वो बोलेगा हाँ सॉफ्ट स्किल तो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, इसके बिना तो नहीं चलेगा. बट इफ यू आस्क कि technical skills are not more important than soft skills, right? So he'll say, of course,
You are
yes,
absolutely
absolutely
thinking in the right direction.
God, this is insane and this is crazy and they need to get out of it. I don't know how.
It's absolutely playing with your brain.
Yeah.
Yeah. और वो आजकल के लोग हैं, मतलब this generation is completely reliant on them. They don't know which statement will affect that person. And I've seen so many instances in my workplace happening जहाँ पे Gen Zs, millennials, Gen X, मतलब जो भी generation लोगों ने categorize कर रखी है, they have उनका एक मतलब होता है ना कि उन लोगों ने खुद को अपने आप को कैटेगराइज कर लिया. ओके, दिस इज जेन जी, आई एम मिलेनियल.
जेन अल्फा भी है एक,
है ना?
ये भी एक
अभी तो वो चलो अभी वर्क प्लेस पे आए नहीं है, तो जेन जीज आर इन द लाइमलाइट. सो दीज पीपल हैव आल्सो कैटेगराइज्ड देमसेल्फ दैट दे फील लाइक ओके यस देयर इज अ गैप इन आवर कम्युनिकेशन. वो होगा भी नहीं ना, फिर भी दे हैव rewired themselves like this. ओके, हमारी नहीं बनेगी, कुछ भी होगा नहीं होगा, मतलब they will at the start of the conversation they think from this perspective, okay there is a gap.
आई फील लाइक कि कोई गैप फिल करने के लिए ना, इफ यू फील लाइक एफर्ट्स आर नीडेड, पर अगर आप पहले ही किसी चीज़ को लेके बैठ जाओगे कि यार ये ऐसा ही है या ये ऐसे ही होता है या ये होता है, तो फिर वो कैसे सॉल्व होगा. मतलब हाउ विल यू कम टू वन मिडल ग्राउंड. एंड आई वुड लाइक टू अंडरस्टैंड इट फ्रॉम यू. ये बहुत बारी आपके कॉर्पोरेट में भी होता होगा, आप सॉफ्ट स्किल्स सिखाते हो एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट. हम सॉफ्ट स्किल्स में बहुत बारी इमोशनल इंटेलिजेंस सिखाते हैं, हम एम्पैथी सिखाते हैं एंड ऑल ऑफ दोज थिंग्स. हाउ डू एक्चुअली पीपल इन कॉर्पोरेट शुड डील विद इट? क्या आपको लगता है कि ये गैप्स हैं, ये मिस्टेक्स हैं जो हम बहुत ज़्यादा गलत तरीके से कर रहे हैं? मतलब बिकॉज आई रियली वॉन्ट टू अंडरस्टैंड इट फ्रॉम योर पर्सपेक्टिव, बिकॉज from a level that you see it, maybe we're not even understanding from that level.
People who have spent so much experience, with so much of experience in the corporates, in the organization, in their career, they think these kind of trainings will not help them. Yes, this is the truth.
They feel like.
And we have to come up with those exact situations and scenarios in their life, the real life examples, that they have to think, okay, I was missing this in my life. For example, what I am seeing right now at the emotional level, people who are at the managerial level, at the leadership level, they take their authority very seriously.
Yeah.
Right? And now coming, this generation coming in, people who are joining newly in the teams, they see it maybe as a threat कि हमारी नहीं बनेगी. मतलब हमारी नहीं बनेगी in the sense कि the way we used to work in a team, right? This person, the new generation, the people those who have come in, they will see, okay, they have a different way of doing works, different working style, different way of communication. And those people who have lots of experience, they try to assert their authority, they try to assert their influence in such a way कि वो एक negative तरीके से निकल के आता है. And then in the recent searches also, we have, maybe you have also read कि Gen Zs don't want to take up the leadership roles.
Yeah, they're not interested.
They are not interested because they feel like, okay, I do not want to be in this stressful job. I do not want to have authority on someone. This is very hectic. so
रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी
responsibility बहुत ज़्यादा है.
हाँ.
So these kind of things are coming up now.
Okay.
Or from the corporate level, I have look, this is happening in my in our training department also, that we are preparing high potential that who all are these people that they are ready to take up the jobs of leadership role in the next 2 or 3 years.
ओके.
सो इतना प्लान करना पड़ रहा है अब, राइट, कि अब पूरी इनकी ट्रेनिंग प्लान, पूरी ट्रेनिंग जर्नी बनेगी कि क्या, हाउ डू दे प्रेजेंट देमसेल्फ, व्हाट प्रोजेक्ट्स दे हैव डन, हाई स्टेक्स मोमेंट में उन्होंने कैसे अपने आप को प्रेजेंट किया था. सो ऑल वी हैव बिन नोटिसिंग ट्रूली फ्रॉम द लेंस की हमेशा उनके ऊपर रहती है नज़र कि दीज आर द हाई पोटेंशियल्स एंड वी हैव टू पे मोर अटेंशन ऑन देम बिकॉज दे विल बी द फ्यूचर लीडर्स, राइट. तो इसमें सब कुछ आ जाता है कि हाउ यू आर मैनेजिंग इमोशनली योर टीम्स, क्योंकि इन लीडरशिप ट्रेनिंग्स व्हाट आई हैव सीन पीपल टॉकिंग अबाउट कि यार हमें एक चीज़ बता दो बस, जेनजीज को कैसे टैकल करना है, जैसे पता नहीं कौन से मॉन्स्टर्स आ गए ये.
मतलब सच्ची में they'll come up with anything बोले ऐसा, मतलब इतना ज़्यादा इशू है. अच्छा, at the end, this is that one thing, I have understood mistakes and gaps and ये सब, but हम क्या करें, क्योंकि you know soft skills, ठीक है, and you portray in such a way where you say कि comeback rule है, that people notice you or you become visible in all of this. करें क्या फिर हम, ठीक है, अब नहीं करना समझ आ गया, अपनी गलतियाँ सब समझ आ गई, पर हम क्या ऐसा करें कि that makes an impact, that creates an impact.
To create an impact, first of all, please come out of your comfort zone. Please. Even in your corporates, in your jobs, whatever at place you are, please don't be reliant on your phones or chat GPTs. Please use your brain, the brain which God has given, and come up with your raw ideas, even if you are not sure, but at least take one step in that meeting. Okay, that just by saying this line, okay, I am not sure, maybe I don't have experience to say this right now, I don't know if this will work or not, but I have this perspective to add.
Very beautiful,
right? So this will change, and you'll see that how people start taking you seriously, because right now what is happening, you are being hidden at the back of the curtains. लोगों को पता है कि अच्छा हाँ इसका काम अच्छा है, बट काम को दिखाना भी तो पड़ता है. विजिबिलिटी
वो तो कोई और ले जा रहा है ना,
वो कोई और ले जा रहा है. You have created that PPT by staying awake throughout whole night, and now somebody else is presenting because you said okay मैं ये PPT का बना लूंगा, बट यार प्रेजेंट तू कर दियो.
नंबर तो सारे उसके हो गए,
नंबर उसके हो गए भाई. तुमने पूरा रिसर्च किया, तुमने सारी चीजें निकाली, डेटा एंड ऑल एवरीथिंग, एंड नाउ यू आर गिविंग ऑल योर हार्ड वर्क टू somebody else, and somebody else will get that praise and appreciation. So right, start being visible, right? Even if you are right, wrong, show your true personality. If you are a kind of a person who is introvert, right, कि नहीं बोलना यार, मुझे नहीं अच्छा लगता लोगों के बीच, give start spending time with people. अब मैं ये नहीं कह रही कि like अब 9 घंटे ऑफिस में हो तो 9 घंटे आप उन्हीं के साथ रहो, but at least have those micro moments with them where they get a chance to understand you, that what kind of person you are. Right? Even if you are introvert, they'll get to know, okay यार ठीक है, इसको शिवानी को ये चीजें पसंद नहीं है, ठीक है, इसके साथ ऐसे बात करेंगे,
इतनी ही बात
ऐसे ही बात
करनी है. हाँ,
बाउंड्री आप पता है.
हाँ,
बट आप वो उतना भी चांस नहीं दे रहे आप लोगों को कि वो आपको पहचाने, दैट हु यू आर. कोई नहीं बोल रहा कि आप उनके साथ चिपके रहो, spend yourself time with them, crack jokes. Nobody is saying that. But at least who you are, let the other people know.
I mean, it's very important for people to know that you are in the company.
Yes.
आपका नाम पता हो कि
ऐसा होता है कि आप भी हो क्या?
हाँ, आप हो क्या? आप काम करते थे क्या इस कंपनी में? अगली कंपनी में जाने में पता चल रहा है मुझे, अरे ये तो मेरी पुरानी कंपनी.
Last time something happened. So every month I used to have a corporate में होते हैं ना town hall. So I conduct that. So
ठीक है.
everybody in the corporate office who all are there working there, they sit and I am presenting all of the data and everything.
ठीक है.
What all has happened in the last
Happened,
month.
हाँ.
So like किसी की retirement anniversary या birthday था कुछ, there was a milestone.
ठीक है.
As well, like I saw that person. अच्छा आप भी थे क्या? मुझे अच्छा खासा टाइम हो गया ऑफिस में काम करते हुए. सो ऐसे मोमेंट्स होते हैं. तो एंड आई हैव हर्ड पीपल सेइंग बहुत शांत रहते थे, पता ही नहीं चलता था. मतलब people who have been working in that office for a very long time, more than long time than me, they have also said कि okay हमने कभी जाना ही नहीं ने. This is very hard reality to accept. मैं तो नहीं जान सकती कि भाई मैंने इतने साल काम किया and nobody is there to recognize me that who was Shivani.
किसी को पता ही नहीं है मेरे बारे में, मतलब.
So this is the power of like your personality and communication. It's not about how much you are talking, totally involved within the people, but how you are talking. Right? What kind of things you like?
You know, it is similar in terms of, let's say you apply for a job or you go for an interview ना. कभी कभी होता है कि आप इंटरव्यू क्रैक नहीं कर पाए या कुछ सिचुएशन हो गई या उनको कोई पर्टिकुलर स्किल चाहिए थी जो आपके पास नहीं है, पर इन एवरी अदर थिंग यू वर गुड, यू वर विजिबल, है ना. तो याद रह जाती है इंसान को. मतलब वो 10 इंटरव्यू में से भी अगर एक बंदा ऐसा है जो याद रह गया एंड द नेक्स्ट डे और मे बी नेक्स्ट 6 months यू हैव डन दैट स्किल ना, और आप कहीं लिंक्डइन पे एडेड हो, उन्होंने देख लिया कि अच्छा आपने अब ये वो स्किल कर लिया, दे कॉल यू बैक.
Yes.
There is so much power, there's so much in depth in, we can like talk and talk and talk. वो तो एक complete different topic हो जाएगा. But there's one small tiny thing that I want to ask before I give you the mic and end this. बहुत बारी ना हमारे ऊपर pressure इतना होता है that we're not able to synchronize our things and we're not able to come up. जिसे आप बोल रहे हो कि उनके साथ केस ये था कि वो शाय थे, पर कई बारी we are so much into our heads or we are so much under somebody authoritative personality, या pressure इतना है या काम चीज़ें इतनी ज़्यादा हो रही हैं कि समझ नहीं आ रहा how to come out of that comfort zone or how to start कि अच्छा ठीक है अभी तक I'm not doing anything but I want to level up but I don't know what is the first step or what are the steps that I need to take. So I would like to end it on this note कि आप थोड़े से steps, थोड़ी सी guidance ऐसे दे के जाओ हमें.
So firstly, when somebody asks me this this is the question which a lot of people have asked me, that Shivani, I want to level up, but I don't know from where do I start. Right? I always say, please write first. What are your good points which you want to always keep with you?
Okay.
Right? And then write what are the things which are hampering you and hovering on your head कि यार ये या तो मैं ही हट जाऊं लाइन से, या तो अगर ये मुझे लाना पड़ेगा, these kind of things I have to bring in me, तभी बात बनेगी and तभी something will happen, magic happen in my life. So write all those things, those situations, those moments which you feel like that I want to take a step back. Right? Maybe because of high emotional level, like okay, when I have this kind of a conversation with someone, I feel like crying, I feel like shouting, I feel like running away from that conversation. So you have to write all those things. Right? Now somebody will say, okay, I feel very underconfident when I'm giving presentations. Right? So a lot of things are there in your head. अभी क्या होता है कि there is a kind of a moment where you think कि चीज़ें तो हैं, मुझे level up करना है, करूँगी, कल से करूँगी, न्यू ईयर से करूँगी, बट अरे करना क्या है, कौन सी चीज़ तुम्हें अभी बहुत ज़्यादा at the back है अभी, right? You write it somewhere and then find, is there any right person to talk about that? Okay. In your office, maybe your parents, your colleague, friend circle. Is there anyone who can help me out in this? Maybe there is a course which I can enroll. Yeah. Right? Or I can read something maybe work on myself on my own. I'll create my own plan. But one thing, you have to be please regular with that, right? ये consistency,
discipline,
consistency, yes, biggest thing. Otherwise, everything will be in your head and nothing will change.
yeah.
Because we are at this level, and even I also feel at certain point of time that there is so much to do. Even I'm giving trainings there, you know, in those moments I feel like there is something missing. Missing what? Maybe the kind of topics which I want to touch,
Yeah.
which I'm not able to do right
Do it
now.
right now.
Right? Then I'll not be keeping it every time in my head. I have written somewhere. Now I am collecting all those things which will help me, you know, in upskilling myself in that area. Maybe the books I'm reading, maybe the course which I'll be enrolling in that. What tiny micro habits I have, right, which I'm taking every day to go up in that direction. So all those things you have to write it somewhere, जो कि आजकल नहीं लिखते हैं. Maybe they will write it somewhere in their phones.
पर वो वहीं रह
पर वो
जाता है.
फोन में ही रहेगा. मतलब लोग होते हैं ना, मैम हम लिख रहे हैं फोन में लिख रहे हैं. मैंने फोटो क्लिक कर ली बोर्ड की. अरे ट्रेनिंग में भी यही चल रहा है. ट्रेनिंग चल रही है, पीपीटी की फोटो क्लिक कर लेते हैं. अरे फोटो क्लिक करके क्या होगा?
लिखो उसको, पढ़ो, एक बार दिमाग में डालो. मतलब I'll tell you this is so beautiful that you have said. मेरे को लगता है सब कुछ स्टार्ट ही यहीं से होता है. हमारा दिमाग ना अगर कंटिन्यूसली कोई थॉट हम लेके बैठे हैं, या तो हम अपने आप को बहुत परेशान कर लेंगे, या फिर वो उतर जाएगा एक टाइम के बाद दिमाग से. तो वो जो ऑप्शन है ना बीच का कि हाँ ये करना है, ये ऐसे करना है और फिर रोज करना है, वो भी एक बहुत बड़ी बात है. Very important things, we are like losing out on.
Even if you are doing for the 5 minutes, it will add to that impact, to that journey. But करना है, कब करना है, ये clear होना चाहिए.
नहीं, मुझे लगता है कैसे करना भी एक क्वेश्चन है, but you've helped it.
Exactly.
In that, and they have people, they can reach out to, and I think nobody says a no to help. I mean, that is not there. If you reach out,
yes.
I mean, even if 1 or 2 people do not have time, or they're saying that they'll catch up with you, maybe move to the next one. Try it with somebody else, somebody
there
else.
There are people who are, doing really good in this segment. You just have to find the right person.
Yeah.
And ऐसे भी नहीं होगा ना that you are not getting anyone. Maybe after 3 tries you'll get someone. Okay, that person has changed your entire perspective.
True, I get it.
Right, because that human connection will create a lot of real impact that you're looking for, not the chat GPTs.
No, that is very true.
Yes.
I completely agree to that. क्योंकि वो जो humanized versions है ना, you'll see that आप जो नहीं भी पूछना चाह रहे, आप जहाँ तक नहीं भी पहुँच पा रहे ना chat GPT और AI से, you'll see that through somebody's eyes जिसने something different hit किया, या different perspective, या different चीजें देखी. वो जो experiences आपने कभी देखे ही नहीं, you'll understand it only from people. मतलब that is a very genuine and a very decent, I should say, a very much needed advice that you've given us. Now, because we're moving towards the end, I give you the mic. You are at Skillset School and it's all yours. What you want to talk to people about, and I mean anything that you would like to say them in the end.
Okay, so I'll not take too much time to to end this, because we have talked about a lot of things. One thing that I would request to everyone who's watching this podcast, that there are so many opportunities waiting for you, even when you're looking for a job, even when you're trying to start your own business, your startup, anything. Please, please, please have your base strong. Now, base strong means that who you are as a human being, as a person, not someone who's made up of AI, right? Chat GPT, that I'll be asking questions and then I'll be, please explain me, describe me who I am. No, that whenever we ask questions in the interview, that okay, tell me about yourself. Those questions are also being generated by AI, because you don't know about you. So try to find that who you are as a human being, as and how do you communicate, your communication style. Do not try to fake anything. Come up as a true person at your jobs. Start being visible, right? Working on your skills, your soft skills, your human skills, building a strong emotional connection, bonds with the people who are around you. And yes, you'll see that so many opportunities will start falling in your place, people, because people will now start seeing you,
Yeah.
that okay, this person is genuine,
Hmm.
let's reach out to him.
Yeah. You know, I'll just like to add up to whatever Shivani said. There are tables where people are taking your names. You just don't know that. And if there are not tables where people are not taking your names, the tables will be created the moment you come out of your comfort zone.
Absolutely.
So
Beautiful.
that's how I would like to end it. Lots and lots of love rather than love. This time I would say a lot of courage. I would like to send it to your ways because she has said everything so beautifully, compiled up all. And if she, me, or anybody, we all are doing it, right? If we wouldn't have started this YouTube channel, we would have never known that we have so many people, who want us or are watching us. So yeah, that's how we do it. We step up, we see if it is working out for us, or it is not working out for us, and that's fine. If it doesn't, we'll move towards the next one. So yeah, that's all about it. Thank you everyone for watching.